guys, so I'm just priming my eye. I'm using the chocolate palette and using this color, I think it's caramel, the one that I'm using. And then I went down to espresso and I want to intensify the smoky eye a little bit. And then I decided that I wanted to use an old glamized glitter called Cyberstalker. It has like different tones of fall in there and it's just cute. So I used the glitter primer from e.l.f. I just tapped that on and then clean the brush and use the same brush to tap on the glitter. And mainly I just did it in my eyelids. And I packed it on really good. So I'm using the gel liner and did this cat eye sort of. Then I applied one set of lashes only. I am not gonna use another one on the other eye. So just adding a little bit of highlight from the Pricey Princess palette. And then underline my eyes. I also used the jumbo pencil in Black Bean in the bottom part just because I wanted to apply a little bit of darker eyeshadow there. I used the same one that I used for the smoky eye and just blend it out a little bit. This is a clean brush. I'm just trying to smoke it out under there. And I use brown mascara. It's really dark though. So on the other eye, I'm gonna prime it as well. Put a little base on it so the eyeshadow sticks. I'm gonna use the same espresso that I used for the other eye. And here I'm just doing my highlight. I love this highlight. Like, this is my favorite. I use it a lot. So I'm just shading the eye a little bit, make myself look a little older. Same palette with that dark. I'm going to try to make myself some hollow cheeks. Kind of decay looking a little bit. I used the brown also from the BH palette contour my temples and my cheeks. So I just added a little bit, like I went lighter and lighter to kind of blend everything together. So I'm using a brown pencil to kind of create those wrinkly lines that go around the face. I'm sorry, blurred out a little bit. Can't see what is recording. So sometimes you might see me making faces, and that's because I want to go where like my real lines are, you know, your smile line and everything. You want to follow those patterns. And mostly what I did was shading the lines, and then I got a highlighter and kind of highlighted those areas that needed highlighting. I used a white pencil to kind of age my eyebrows, and this is a concealer pencil. It helps out. Well, it helps me a lot when it comes to highlighting. Like, it's my go-to. By the way, I finished it that day. And again, I'm just going back and shading. hope you like the tutorial. See you next time. Ojalá que te haya gustado. Nos vemos la próxima. Chao.